The first day, quiz 3, question 11. Question 11. A car travels 150 km by 2 hours and a half and 340 km by 4 hours and a quarter. Find the rate of change of the car. Rate of change is slope. Delta y over delta x, change in y over change in x. In this problem, the unit is going to be kilometer per hour. Then we are going to do conversion to meter per second. So rate of change will be found by change in kilometer, change in hours. Kilometers are given 150, 340, but to write the time interval, 2 hours and half, 2 hours and half will be written as 2.5 hours. And in the second given, 4 hours and a quarter, 4 hours and a quarter will be written 4.25 hours. If I turn back to my ratio, change in kilometer, 340 minus 150 over 4.25 minus 2.5. Numerator is 190, denominator is 1.75, so the ratio, the division is going to be it is going to be kilometer per hour, but the unit in each choice is given as meter per second, so I am going to change kilometer to meter and hour to second. Numerator is kilometer 190, so multiplied by 1000, so it is the conversion of kilometer to meter. It is going to be the meter. And 1.75 hours times 60 minutes times 60 will be seconds. If you simplify this equation, this division, by using your calculator, it will be 180,000 over 6,300 meter per second. So the approximate value is going to be, the division is 30.158 meter per second. The approximate value is going to be A. Question 12. A small business purchases a piece of equipment 875,000 dinar. After 5 years there will be no value, outdated, and we are looking for the linear equation which gives us relation between year and value. So in the beginning, since no years passed, the original price in the beginning can be written like this. So how do I choose my ordered pair? XY. X is used in time, which is mentioned in the problem, and Y shows us the value of the equipment. So no time passed. Instead of time we are writing 0. Value is equipment is 875,000. After 5 years, it is my second relation, there will be no value, outdated. So these are the points related with my problem. First of all, we can find the slope by using delta y over delta x. What is delta y over delta x? Change in value over change in time. 875,000 minus 0 over 0 minus 5. The division is going to be negative 175,000. It is the slope of equation. So we can look at the choices. It is positive 175. If y is alone, the coefficient of x slope, it is positive, so I can cancel. Slope is positive, you may also cancel. Slope negative, so answer can be C or D. Since I know point and slope, I can apply the rule y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Always choose number or value which is not so big. I prefer the second point. If I write y minus y coordinate of point is 0, y minus 0, okay, y minus 0 is equal to negative 175,000 x minus 5. Y is going to be alone. If we perform the operation, negative 175,000 x plus minus and minus plus, the product will be 875,000. So we need plus sign between the two parts, so there is plus sign between them. Answer is D. Question 13. A company pays a truck driver 15,000 dinar per day and 350 dinar for every kilometer he drives. Write a function that forms a model. Calculate what the company pays to the driver in terms of number of kilometers. In a single equation, especially for a linear model, there will be only one unknown. Here we are going to calculate the daily payment for the driver. Since 350 will be the payment for every kilometer, and kilometer in our problem will be used by x, 350x is going to be what is going to be the payment for the driver after taking x kilometer, and it is the fixed price for daily price. Since day is not mentioned, so we are going to assume this is going to be a model for a daily payment. So if you look at the choices, there will be 350x, yes, so you may cancel D. And since he is also going to have a daily payment for each day, the most logical choice is A. For one day, according to his kilometer that he takes, the payment will be 350x plus 15,000. We have an information about the population of Iraq, and there are two questions to answer. Find the rate of change of population. If it is about a population question, rate of change is actually slope, which is written by delta y over delta x. Yx changes in each type of problem. Population per year, so y is going to be the change in population, and x is going to be used for change in time. So to find the average rate of change, we are going to take the difference of population, 39,991,980 minus 7,290,000 over change in time 2020 minus 2020 minus 1960. If we apply necessary operations, in the end we are going to get 545,033. It is going to be population per year, I mean average rate of change 45033. Answer is B. Population is increasing with this